therefore, if ye will obey my voice indeed, and keep my covenant, then ye shall be a peculiar treasure unto me above all people. For all the earth is mine. For wherein shall it be known here that I and thy people have found grace in thy sight? Is it not in that thou goest with us? So shall we be separated, I and thy people, from all the people that are upon the face of the earth. For thou art an holy people unto the Most High thy power. The Most High thy power hath chosen thee to be a special people unto himself, above all people that are upon the face of the earth. For thou art an holy people unto the Most High thy power, and the Most High hath chosen thee to be a peculiar people unto himself, above all the nations that are upon the earth. For thou didst separate them from among all the people of the earth, to be thine inheritance, as thou spakest by the hand of Moses thy servant, when thou broughtest our fathers out of Egypt, O the Most High. For the Most High hath chosen Jacob unto himself, and Israel for his peculiar treasure. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, an holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who hath called you out of darkness into his marvelous light, which in time past were not a people, but are now the people of the Most High, which had not obtained mercy, but now have obtained mercy. These are the beasts which ye shall eat: the ox, the sheep, and the goat, the hart, and the roebuck, and the fallow deer, and the wild goat, and the pygarg, and the wild ox, and the chamois. Exalt ye the Most High our power, and worship at his footstool, for he is holy. And one cried unto another and said, Holy, holy, holy is the Most High of hosts. The whole earth is full of his glory. Get you out of the way. Turn aside out of the path. Cause the Holy One of Israel to cease from before us. Because it is written, Be ye holy, for I am holy. And to the angel of the church in Philadelphia write, These things saith he that is holy, he that is true, he that hath the key of David, he that openeth, and no man shutteth, and shutteth, and no man openeth. I know thy works. Behold, I have set before thee an open door, and no man can shut it. For thou hast a little strength, and hast kept my word, and hast not denied my name. And the 4 beasts had each of them 6 wings about him, and they were full of eyes within, and they rest not day and night, saying, Holy, 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 the Most High Almighty, which was, and is to come, who gave himself for us, that he might redeem us from all iniquity, and purify unto himself a peculiar people, zealous of good works. We read in that the children of Israel is so holy, that we are separated from the other people, Gentiles, in the world. Also we are so holy that we are to put a difference between clean and unclean animals. Click here for the dietary law. We are to be holy, for the Most High is holy, and he hath severed us from other people, that we should be his own. And what one nation in the earth is like thy people Israel, whom the Most High went to redeem to be his own people, to make thee a name of greatness and terribleness, by driving out nations from before thy people, whom thou hast redeemed out of Egypt. For thy people Israel didst thou make thine own people forever, and thou, Lord, becamest their God. We are so holy as a people that there is no one else like us in the earth. The Most High made the tribes his people, who are Israelites, to whom pertaineth the adoption, and the glory, and the covenants, and the giving of the law, and the service of the Most High, and the promises. For thou art an holy people unto the Most High thy power. The Most High thy power hath chosen thee to be a special people unto himself. Above all people that are upon the face of the earth, gather my saints together unto me, those that have made a covenant with me by sacrifice. Ye are the children of the Most High your power. Ye shall not cut yourselves, nor make any baldness between your eyes for the dead,